Right, back again. I'm just going to talk briefly about this HM Digital TDS meter. It's fully waterproof. I mentioned it before. I'm sure I showed this in one of the product review videos. There is a collection cap to collect the water sample that then goes in here, but today we're just going to dump it in to the spa, and hopefully you'll be able to get or see the reading, or I'm going to have to read it out. So we're just going to turn it on. Again, don't know whether you're going to be able to see this. So you've got parts per million, and then the temperature, which I think it's it certainly isn't 33 out here at the moment. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to dump that in the spa. Don't know whether you're going to be able to see this. Now, as you remember, the total dissolved solids in the tap water here was about 310, something like that. And I'm just going to hold this in here for a minute or two. It takes a short while to stabilise. Currently it says 7 to 7. I think that's going to go down a little bit more, although it's actually stabilising at 7 to 8, 7 to 7. Temperature 36.9 as you, or 37, and that's actually what we have the spa set to, 37 degrees. The just going to hit the hold button, take that out. Hopefully you can see that. So we've got a TDS of 725 parts per million, temperature 37.1, which tallies exactly with the spa set temperature. Now, so we've pretty much gone up by 400 parts per million in 5 weeks. So if we go up another 5, it's going to take us to the limit of 11 or 1200 parts per million. And that's going to be pretty much what we suspected. 10 to 11 weeks before a water change is necessary. The TDS, once it gets up to 1000, it's going to start affecting. Certainly will affect the scale removal product, and there may be an impact on other chemicals as well. So it's not a good thing. In the marine tank world, we use RODI systems to produce 0 TDS water, and I have actually put a drum full of 0 TDS into this once. I could put another 1 or 2, but it's a quite expensive thing to do. So yeah, most people won't have that choice either, and they'll need to top up with tap water. So that's what we're doing now, and it's pretty much up to the right level. So we're just going to turn that off, and that's that. I will be doing the chemicals and everything next. But it'd probably be a good idea if I just show on camera changing the filters. I don't know whether we can zoom in. Yes, you'll recall I just mentioned this kit of spa cleaning accessories, and it's become quite clear that the mesh in this net really isn't fine enough. Just before I filmed this clip, I was getting flies out of the water because they're dropping in it because it's a nice sunny day, and I noticed a couple of times as soon as I lifted it out, there's bits falling back out. So obviously that net's got to go, and we're going to have to get something a lot finer than that. In fact, I'm going to cancel this video, just stop this one, because I need a screwdriver to get the cover off. So we're just going to leave that one covering the TDS and that not so good net. Back in a minute.